Hi, I am your tour guide for this afternoon to explore the region 2, which is the Batanes Group of Island. Batanes Group of Island is the northernmost province of the Philippines. It is located between 121 degree 45 to 122 degree 15 eastern longitude and at 20 degree 15 north latitude. Batanes is closer to Taiwan than to northern tip of Luzon. Of the 10 volcanic islands composing the province, only 3 are inhabited. So they are Batan. Batan is the main island. And the second is the Sabtang. And last is Itbayat is the largest island. So a fourth Ivoglous lying about a kilometer of a half cast of Sabtang has a handful of families tending cattle. The other uninhabited island, so we have 6 uninhabited island. First is Yami, North Siaan, Dinim, Liquid. So, the province has a total area of 230 kilometers, which is the country of smallest. Batanes is classified as having a Class A or Type A climate, a pleasant semi-temperature climate. So, the Ivatan, which is a people of Batanes, so they have recognized 2 seasons. So first is Rayon. Rayon is it means or is all about summer. So from March to May, and also the Amihan, which is winter, is month of November to February. So, Kachamiyamiyan of the rainy months for the rest of the year, except for a brief spell of warm weather. Decay, Arayon, and the 2 weeks between the September and October. The province has a 6 town. So again, the province of Batanes Group of Island is composed of 6 towns. So first is Ivana, Uyugan, Ihataw, Basco, Island. No, kaning island is municipality ni siya of Sabta. And last but not the least is Itbayan. One of the earliest eyewitness account of Imbatan is that of the British Buccaneer William Dampier in 1687. So again, it's ang first or earliest eyewitness account of Batan kay si British Buccaneer William Dampier in 1687. He described the people as short, squat people. So generally around visage, hazel eyes, small yet bigger than Chinese. So hazel eyes are lightly reddish brown, usually flecked with green or gray. Low forehead and thin eyebrows, short, long nose, white teeth, black thick hair, black that is worn just covering the ears, cut around, very even, and very dark copper color skin. So in 1990s census of the National Statistic Office reported to a population of 15,026, an increase of 20% the 1980 population of 12,091. So they were contributed on the 6 municipalities. So first is Basco. So we have 38%. Itbayat, 23%. Sabtang, 12%. Mahataw, 11%. And last but not the least is the Uyugan and Ibana. Also, both are 8%. So, small island usually have limited carrying policies. This is hospitable only for a few months from month of March, April, and May every year. So, they have two highlights of fishing season. So first is the flying fish or itawag nila sa Batanes na ibang. And second, dolphin fish. So kung ano may siyang dolphin, no? So itawag sila sa ilaha o arayo. So the next is the major resources to the Ibatan to script on every resources that they have. They don't waste food or anything, so alam na pagkaon is dili nilang subsikan. So, food security of household is a continuous concern of every household. The scarcity of resources produce food patterns unique to this culture. So, culture of food of Batanes group of island, first is a uvod or banana stalk pit, or sa ato ba is ginatawag og bani bitaw kanang kuan sa saging. Sa ato bani, but ilang tawag is a uvod or banana stalk pit. So second is vonis, so dried taro stove. So ilang tawag ito, ilang food dito sa Batanes group of island, which is a dried taro stove. So kung sa ato pa diri sa Cebu is ginatawag o gabi. So itong mga dagkong-dahon bagta. So next is kudet. So pig skin. So when we say pig skin, so of course pangit dito sa baboy. So pwede sa mahimong chicharon. Buat sa karkar chicharon. So last is lonies. So when we say lonies, it means a pork cooked in its own fat. So adobo. So din sa tong Pilipinas, iba once magadubo ta is ang magamit niya og para luto is iyang kulingong tambo, iyang fat ito. So next is they are also master of recycling a few things to go to garbage dump. So ang ilang mga kuan dito garbage is ka-recycle. So if ang karton ilain nila, plastic ilain, kaya para po niglabal nila sa garbage, gamay nilang kaayo. So they are also excellent, no, maayo siya. Farmers producing a food that they need, especially root crops. So, ang delicacies nila dito is yam or ubi, or tawag nila ng ubi dito or dukay. So, sa tuwa pa dire is ubi. Ubi, ang color na is violet. So, pwede sa mahimong ice cream o katong ubi nga kamuti bitaw. So, na may dilimuntanan nga kamuti nga puti. So, now of course, na ubi nga violet. Next is sweet potato or ginatawag nila dito nga kawan. So, kani siya is kamote nga puti or natural. So pariharat po na dito sa Cebu nga ang kamote nato dire is katong puti. So daghang ng kadiyang klaseng-klase nga kamote, but ilang gitawag dito is ang sweet potato or wakay. Next is taro or sudi or ginatawag nato dire nga gabi, no? Pwede siya isagol sa lilit ang baboy, no, para luto. So usap mismo mga ingredients or recipe para po magluto of mga baboy or baka baron with the using of gabi. So again, the three delicacies of the Batanes group of island is yam, sweet potato, and taro. So let's proceed now to occasional protein sources. So if na sila pista dito or na sila i-celebrate sa ilang okasyon, so of course ang ilang maluto is ang baboy, manok, o kandil. So the same as sa nato dire natin magpista, no, baboy, manok, o kandil. So Ibatan standard to debate on rice. So supply. So ang Ibatan daw, so nag-supply of rice, which is National Food Authority from Luzon. Kanang gitawag nato dire og NFA. Kanang nasa Bajan bitaw. So NFA ang tawag na. As there as staple instead of unusual camping routes. So let's proceed now to some tourist destinations. So first is Sabtang Island. So when we say Sabtang Island is one of the major islands among the 10 islands in Batanes. It is situated in the southmost part of Batanes and is smallest among the 3 inhabited islands. So Spanish influence first reached island in 1786. This led to the baptism of almost 200 native children and the study of catechism among the adults. But the Catholic influence was not entirely implemented because of the poor health condition of the Spanish missionaries. So the next tourist destination is the Itbayat Island. So when we say Itbayat Island, it means the largest island from the province of the Batanes group of island. It is also considered the northernmost populated island in the country. This area landscape mostly comprises of rolling cliff with a rocky shores of about 83 kilometers of coastline. So next is the Batan Island. So when we say Batan, is the main island of Batanes. So an archipelagic province in the Philippines, it is the second largest of the Batanes Island, the northernmost group of island in the Philippines. So next is the Mount Iraya. So when we say Mount Iraya, it means, so this belongs to the tourist destinations. So it is an active stratovolcano of Batan Island and the highest point in the province of Batanes, Philippines. Next of the tourist destination, which is the Chawa Cave. Chawa Cave is for the people looking for adventure and mystery. The cave is believed by Batans to be an enchanted cave. It has a natural salt bed and a mouth that opens to the South China Sea. Next of the tourist destinations is the Radar Tugu. So a curious attraction that can be found in Basco, Batanes is Radar Tugu, which was once a lighthouse that was also used a United States weather station. It is located on a hilltop and is only 2.75 kilometers away from Basco. You can climb at the top of the tower in Rodar Tucon, and the top offer a breathtaking and a magnificent 336-degree view of Batan Island. The South China Sea is a Mount Raya and the Basco proper on a one side and the Bulger line, the strong forewind of the town from the sea passing through the haze of trees. So last tourist destination is the San Jose Church. So the San Jose Church, also known as Ivana Church, is a Roman Catholic church located in the Ivana, Batanes, Philippines, dedicated to the Saint Joseph under the jurisdiction of the Prelature of Batanes. The church was declared a National Historical Landmark by the National Historical Commission of the Philippines. So, and the last is ang ilang language. So, ilang language ito is Ivatan, Itbayan, Isamurongin, Ilocano, Tagalog, and English. So that should be all. Thank you.